Hello and welcome to another episode of Computer Terminology. Today we will be focusing on the term motherboard. Motherboard is also known as a main board, main circuit board, and a logic board for those who are working on Apple computers. A motherboard is a computing board with expansion abilities, allowing you to connect different expansion components for use in computing capabilities. In other words, a board that connects and combines smaller components in order to make a computer function. A motherboard provides the electrical connections so that the other components of the system can communicate with one another. A typical computer has its processor, memory, and other essential components connected to the motherboard. Other devices, such as external hard drives, flash drives, controllers for video and sound, as well as peripheral devices, may be attached to the motherboard as plug-in cards via cables or sitting directly in the motherboard itself. That does it for this week's terminology for computers for the motherboards. If you want to see an expanded video, go ahead and leave it in the comments section below. If you want to check out the previous episode regarding storage, you can go ahead and check that out on the left. Go ahead and check out my playlist here on the right for the entire season of computer terminology. With that being said, thank you for watching, have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video.